chest bigger. What is up, everybody? Welcome back today to another episode of Cast and Reel Wisconsin. We're up here today, Anna and I. We're up in Door County, staying at the Cherry Woods Golf Resort here, and going out to Sturgeon Bay today for some salmon. Gonna be hopefully going here in about an hour or so. It's a Friday evening. We're also gonna be fishing tomorrow, Saturday morning. Hopefully we can get some big fish in the box. Last week up here, they've been doing pretty good. Milwaukee's been a little bit slow the last week, but like last night I saw a 28 pounder here out of Kewanee and some really good boxes out of Sturgeon Bay, so hopefully we can get it. You might be able to see here some of these trees. They're ripping pretty good right now. Kind of windy out. It's supposed to kind of die as the evening goes on. But yeah, we're up here in Sturgeon Bay, beautiful Cherry Woods Golf Resort. Hopefully we can put some big fish in the box tonight. We're gonna get going here in about an hour. See you guys at the ramp. Kind of show you guys what Sturgeon Bay is all about here. It's pretty fun. This will be my third time up here, so it should be pretty good. Alrighty, everybody, we're here. We just stopped at Howie's Tackle. Already went inside. Always cool to stop up here in Sturgeon Bay at Howie's. Always fun to see what they have. They always got some fun spoons that aren't on their website or anything to purchase. Anna went ahead here and kind of got a green and blue with a zebra stripe down the middle. Gonna run it tonight, see what happens, but yeah, wind is still ripping. I don't know if you can kind of see the trees up here. They're still blowing pretty darn good out of this, kind of due west. There's a buoy down in Two Rivers right now. It's showing about 2.5 foot significant wave height. So hopefully it dies down here pretty good, pretty quick. But yeah, we're gonna get after it. Probably launch here in about 40 minutes, I'm thinking, and then be on the lake out on the open lake in about an hour. Hopefully not too bad. If it is, I think we'll probably just tough it out. As long as it's not unsafe, we'll be out there. So, pretty good. All right, made it out of the channel. Hopefully we get some fish here tonight. It's actually not too bad out here. Like probably like 2 foot rollers. West wind's starting to die down, so hopefully we only get about 3 miles out here. It's not too bad. We'll see. We're gonna have about an hour and a half here to fish, I think. Hopefully we can put some fish in the boat. Let's do this thing. You're the one who saw it. There we go, first one in the morning. Anna spotted it before I did. I don't think it's big, but... Oh, there's another one. There's one. There we go, guys. First king in the box, a nice little green moonshine spoon, 60 feet down on a rigger. Bam. Always are lifting up, lift up, reel. Oh, there's one. There we go. Just getting that chest camera on, guys. We're doubled up to start the morning here. Another good one. Put mine in the rod holder. Bring her in. Keep her coming. Keep coming. One more lift. There you go. Good job. All right, take mine and keep going.
Where is it?
Right there. Yep. There we go. Number 2 in the box. What?
He's... Oh my... I'll hand you this back.
No, you got it.
No. My arm's so tired.
I'm just gonna bleed those ones quick.
I'll do it for longer if you want.
All right, Anna with the net job. Oh, he's angry. He's angry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's pulling drag.
Oh my god.
Buddy. All right, ready? Oh my god, he's just going straight down. Now here we go. Let's get over here. Oh, let me go back, let me go back. There you go. You gotta do a fast, quick scoop on them.
I know.
There you go. Good job. That's what we needed. Sorry. There we go, guys. Fish number 3 of the morning. Nice old Sturgeon Bay King right there. Heck yeah, that was on a 200 copper right there. Good one. Oh, he's got a lamprey mark.
Oh.
Look at that, guys. He's got a lamprey mark right here.
Oh.
This fly is starting to lose some tinsel. Got a lot of fishing.
Now we got a fish.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's big. That's bigger. That's bigger. Look at it. Look at it. That was deep. That was 75 down. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh, it popped off.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. That was a good one.
I like that hatch.
Oh, we got one on this one too. This one's not as big.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah. Straight, yeah. Just set that down. That was a good one. That one started ripping. Doubled on the downriggers right away right there. Those are their deep rods. When they come up on the surface like that, it's hard to keep them tight. When they're thrashing, they just throw that hook. Oh, that would have been a 20. Alright, we can take this out of the way. Doing good. Close, close. Watch this downrigger right here. Oh crap, over. Here, come back here, come back here, come back here. It's deep, it's deep. Get way back here. Oh, you're in that, you're in the tip seat. Yep, stand way up here. Get your rod tip way out. Yep. There you go, it came up again. Oh, that's big. That's big. That's big. Anna's got a big one. Yeah, remember these lines are in the water. Oh no. There it goes. Crap.
What?
Just pulled out.
Did I do something wrong?
No, that drag was fine.
What?
Oh, that's a heartbreaker. 3 for 6. Well, we're 3 for 6 right now. That was kind of a rough 2 right there. That was a rough 2 right there on the downriggers. 2 probably close to 20. 1 popping off right at the back of the boat. But it's still early in the morning. Sun hasn't even really fully come up yet. Guys next to us just hooked up. They're fighting a good one. See what happens. Should be a good morning here. Hopefully get a few more big ones in the box. Here's a dipsy hit. Here.
No, you got it.
Sure? Yeah. It's not huge. Direct, quick thing, but don't reach for it. But once it gets close, a quick, deep scoop.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh gosh.
You got this fun. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go quick. Oh, Anna. Oh, it went under, it went under. Ready? Oh. Here we go. Point it. Ready? Quick. There we go. Woo.
Oh god.
We got lucky there. We got lucky.
Oh
Went under the rigger and came back up.
gosh. Lots of luck there.
There we go. First dipsy fish. Oh, he is all wrapped up. Nowhere near the size of the last 2, but we take anything. There you go. There's fish for number 4 for the morning. Oh, and we got number 5 on. Got it? Watch the rod below you. Anna's got it. That's a good one. Feather on the line. It doesn't block you. Good looking steelhead. Good job. Here we go. Nice steelhead in the box. Not bad. Halfway to our limit. Number 5. Alrighty guys, status update here for the morning. We've been fishing for about an hour 40 minutes here. We are 5 for 9 5 for 9 right now. 1 steelhead, 4 kings in the box. Kind of give you a quick rundown since the morning here is a little crazy, kind of what we're doing here. So we're just kind of running the restructure here. We've been kind of weaving between 90 and 110 feet all morning. Just switched back north here. But yeah, our kind of hot rods have been the coppers. So we got a 175 copper out on this side over here. And then we got a 200 copper out on this side. Green Jean spoon on the 175 and a Salmon Candy flasher fly combo on the 200. Running riggers here down, what are we down? Down about 60 on this one and 75 on this guy here. And then the dipsies are all about 50 down, but running 3 spoons, 3 flasher flies. It's been about an equal mix here. Anna's having fun. She is sad that we missed those 2 big ones on the downriggers. Her biggest king ever popped up right at the back of the boat that you guys saw there. That was kind of disappointing. But hopefully we can.
We'll get the next
Hopefully we can do good here. We did just turn back south, and we do have to go into this absolute mess of boats here. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get a few here in the morning and get our last 5. We got all day to be out here, so I think we'll pick away at a few more here and see when we get the next fish. All right, since I last talked to you guys, it's been a solid 2 hours here in the morning of trolling. Not seen any of these other boats really hooking up here. We'll see what's happening. We trolled all the way from 70 feet of water out to 210, and we're on our way back in right now. We're in 145 right now. Gonna give it probably about another 20-30 minutes here and call it. Been an okay morning, but if we landed those 2 big kings on the double up on the rigger, it would have been really nice. But see if we can't finish with another fish or 2 here in the last 30 minutes. If not, overall, great day. Today is my birthday, so some good birthday fish.